Hi everyone, today I am doing Honda Jazz. That's the semi-automatic, and you can see here is a semi-automatic, and these car have a common problem in clutch actuator, because this car have the semi-automatic and the gearbox is manual, and we put the motors on the top. Two motors, a selector motors, and one is a clutch actuator malfunction. So the car came on the recovery is a breakdown, sometimes start, sometimes not start, and sometimes is start and drive, and then when it go hot, and then his problems come back. So if you're gonna diagnose first, and then we're gonna this is the I shift. We have to go in I shift, and then you can see read codes here. This is the common problem, P0810 clutch operations problem, and TCM receiving invalid data from ECM because ECU not match with the PCM, and because it's giving a wrong signal. So that's the common problem of these car. So what we can do, we done that job, but I will tell you how we're gonna do that things. But first we have to erase the code, switch ignition off, and it's gonna be select to the Honda software, and then we're gonna turn on the engine. We're gonna switch off for a second, and then they're gonna give you the message on next screen, turn the ignition on, and if you can read it, there should be no code. Just 1 minute, we're gonna check what's going on. Turn ignition on and read the things. You can see here no code coming because of the sometime the actuator is not learned, that's why it's not deleting first time. So now we have to go in adjustment, and we have to do the bleeding. Here is a clutch bleeding option. We go in through, we're gonna show you turn the ignition off, we're gonna off, and then it's gonna be converted into the Honda software, and then it's gonna start to do the air bleeding like clutch bleeding. This is gonna do automatically, no need to do anything. So if you can see, turn ignition on, and then they're gonna start to communicate with the TCM through Honda software, and is gonna be start in a minute. You can see here we have to press. Okay, now you can see it's gonna be started, and is taking like 7 minutes, sometime 5 minutes, it depends on the car software, and it's gonna do automatically, and is I want to show you is doing there. So basically what happened, we have to take it out that actuator. If you bring the car to us, we're gonna remove the actuator. You can see here is like downside here is a bottle. You can see, if you can see a light actuator, you have to remove this box, you have to remove that things, and battery, everything you have to remove it, and then the actuator is down there. You can see here the bubble is coming in a bottle because it's doing the automatically. You can hear the noise automatically self bleeding, and that's the problem in the box inside there. So if you can take it out and bring to us, or you will bring the car, is better. You have to bring the car to us because we can do complete job. We will remove, repair, take it out, and we give you the warranty on there, and the car ready into 3 to 4 hours. This is the common problem like I shift, and the problem is in the actuator. So we already done that job, and now is doing a bleeding, and the bleeding is going to be complete. You can see there down, now it's nearly completed, and the fork start, you can see is pushing, and it's gonna be, when it's gonna be done, and then should be the car is perfect. So that's the common problem in. So if you have problem of this one, you can contact us. Our phone number is 0740 2536 382. My name is Terry. You can see my other videos. We repair all type of ECUs. We are in Hounslow. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango. You can call anytime, or you can send me the message on WhatsApp. It's better you bring the car, we're gonna complete job. So if you like my video, please subscribe it. Thank you, take care, bye.